How to choose right on your template for squarespace.com. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to choose the best template for your website on squarespace.com. It may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and the first part you need to do is to create an account in the squarespace.com. As you can see, I have already made one. I have already made a couple of websites, but all you need to do is to click on create a website, and the page with the templates will be loaded right here. So as you can see, you have variants, you have types and topics of the website. So here you're choosing the type of your website. So for example, it can be an online store, portfolio, memberships, blog, scheduling, one page, courses, and services. And the topics of your website can be collaborations, art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional services, local business, community and non-profits, food, entertainment, travel, restaurants, media and podcasts, events, weddings, real estate and properties, home and decor, nature and animals, and fitness. So all you need to do to choose a best website, you need to just put a tick right here. For example, we are creating a one-page website, and we need to choose a topic for our one-page website. For example, it would be let me think, a travel. So we are going to show the travel destinations or things that could be visited. For example, here 29 template matches for travel and one page, and the best travel templates here are those three. So as myself, I really like this template. So in this page you can clearly see that there is different colors. You can change those color palettes how you like. So for example, like this, or make it brighter, make it pinkish, or maybe make it purple with couple of okay, so let me think. Okay, so let's stay on this variant, and you need to just click start with this design, and it's going to load. Okay, we just need to wait a couple of seconds for dashboard to be loaded. Okay, so the next step, we just need to call our website. So create a name. As we can see, we have a travel website, so I'm going to name it Traveler Guide. Okay, so then click continue. It's going to tell you how to add products into your website, how to drive traffic to your site, but I'm going to tell you by myself, you don't need it. Okay, so we are in the dashboard of our website. As you can see, there are all features of your website right here, so you can see all the pages. We have a one-page website, so there is only a blog page. So you can change styles right here. You can change fonts for every word in your website. You can change almost everything. So the color palette that we have themed for in the preview, the buttons right here, fonts, and forms. So I just hit back, okay, and enable to retrieve success. Okay, so I just click on exit right here. So moving to the dashboard, we can see website, the pages right here, styles, assets, we can see the selling. You can set up your store right here, add products, see orders, add discounts, and there are selling tools. Also there is a marketing page where you can grow your audience, you can make email campaigns. Here are the marketing tools. Also there is a contacts page, so here you add all the contacts of your customers, members, even email subscribers. Also there is an analytics of your website, how the users are engaged, where they came from, their geography, what the keywords they are using. So here is the engagement, the sales of your product. Here is the invoicing, so you can send professional invoices right here. So there are invoices will be collected, as there are projects for your invoices. The next thing is content and membership, so it is really good opportunity for bloggers, instructors, communities, so you can sell paywall content and build members only communities. Okay, so let's head back to our website. I will quickly show how to edit it. So it's really easy, you just click on this button to edit, and the editing editor is going to load. As we can see, we are in the editor already. So every site page is divided into sections. As you can see, the first one is header and the last one is the footer. Okay, so and here are the main sections. So for example, you don't need one of those sections. For example, I don't really love this section, it gives us nothing, just a section with the picture. I am going to remove it, so just click on remove and it's going to remove in seconds. And for example, we'll add another section for it. Just click on add section, and there is a variety of sections that you can add right here. So for example, people, maybe we would like to introduce our team of people that are working in our company. So I really like this section. I think it's the best suits our website. As you can see, those are our workers. For example, we can edit the content right here. So we can change the picture of our workers, change their names, add their bios. So as you can see, everything is really easy to do. So if you want to add something in your blog, for example, I want to edit this section. For example, I would like to add something right here. So I just click on a button, add block. So let me give you an opportunity to see it. Okay, so here you just can add a section because this section is not editing. Okay, so next thing I'm going to show you, just save and exit. I'm going to show you the subscriptions plan. So every plan, every website is going to have a trial for 14 days, but then you should upgrade it, and there are 4 plans that you can upgrade for. The cheapest one is the personal. It costs $16 per month. The most popular one is the business one. It costs $23 per month. Next one is the commerce basic. It costs $28 per month. And the last one is the commerce advanced. It costs $52 per month. Okay, so all features are here. You can tap on pause and by yourself just read it and choose the best plan that suits you. So, okay guys, so if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.